For loop is going to have three parts: initialize, condition, and increment or decrement. Now what you have to see in this, you have to see what the values are going to get printed by this loop. So here we will just see what values are getting. They are doing m into n. Okay, we will see what is m here. M is 5 and n is 10, and here the value is not good, not changing over here, and the condition is n greater than equal to 1. So the condition is true because n is 10 and 10, sorry, I have written 5 by mistakenly here. So n is 10, so 10 is greater than equal to 1. Yes, 10 is greater, so it will execute this loop. So what it is going to be, m is 5 into 10. So what it is going to print, what it is going to print here, it is going to print 50. On the next line, n get decremented, so n becomes 9, and it goes here and check whether 9 is greater than 1. Yes, so next time m will be remaining same, and n is going to change by decreasing values. Okay, so it is going to become 9 5s are 45. After printing that, again n is going to decrement. So this process is going on, that means n value is going to decrease. Till when it is going to decrease, that you have to check. Once the n becomes 0, so this condition becomes false. How? Just check. See, when n is becoming 0, when n is becoming 0, this condition is not true, right? 0 is not greater than equal to 1, so it will stop the loop. So how many times the loop executed? It started from here, okay, and it executed till 1. For 0 it is not executed. So what you want to have in your for loop, you are going to start from 10 till 1. That you have to check. So how you are going to write? Simply int m equal to 5. So which variable is here decreasing? N, and condition is also based on n. So inside the for loop you are going to write n. How? Just declare here n equal to, what is the initialization given for the n? 10. What is the condition given? N greater than equal to 1. Okay, and n plus plus. Do you think plus plus is right? It is decrementing, sorry. So you are going to write n minus minus, and inside this curly bracket, the same statement of the system.out.print, this same statement should be written inside the for loop. That's all. Means basically what you're going to see, that n value condition which is given in the while, that need to be written in between the for loop. Whatever variable they have taken for the condition, the same variable what initialization you have to check, and you need to put for the initialization whether it is incremented or decrement, that you have to check. That's all. Means in while loop at 3 different places, these 3 different things are placed, that all together you have to put in the for loop. That's all. Let's go to the next one. Write the output of the program segment. So you need to write the output of this. Here what they have taken, they are going in this they have taken the m as 5, okay, and they are incrementing the m value by 5 every time. M plus equal to 5 means what? M equal to m plus 5. This indicates this only, this statement. Okay, so m plus 5. So first the m value will be 5. Next time the m value will be plus 1 plus 5, so 10. Next after that it will be 15. Next that it will be 20. So as soon as it becomes 20, you can check the condition. It is, when you check the condition, it is true. But after that for the 25, it is not going to execute. It will stop at 25, because after 20 it is still 20 it is asking for. Okay,